Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Firstly, go to the Shopify App Store and search for DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click install and follow the prompts to add it to your store. Once redirected to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Install App again. Create a DSers account and log in if you already have one. Then choose the free plan or upgrade to a paid version depending on your business size. In the DSers app, click the AliExpress icon to start linking your account. In a new tab will open Log into your AliExpress account. Return to the DSers app and click Authorize to allow access. AliExpress will ask for final confirmation. Just click Access Now. In DSers, go to the Import List section. Copy the URL of the AliExpress product you want, then paste the URL into the Import bar and hit Enter. Now the product will appear in your import list. Just check the box next to the products you want, then click Push to Store. Choose the product details, collection, pricing, rules, and other preferences, then click Push to Store again to finalize. You'll now find your imported products in DSers, My Products, or on Shopify Admin Products section. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.